Alright, so what are we doing today for the vlog? We got some subs. I can't hear nobody because the wind. The wind is making the audio crap. Jeez! The wind is still going. It's gonna bother everybody. It's gonna bother the audio. We got subs, Scar Audio. We're sponsored, ain't that right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Let's show y'all what we're working with. Pretty much the same concept as my truck, but he took out the whole bottom seat. So there's that. We're gonna figure out how we're gonna set up the amp. We're gonna have the box right here, right under the seat. Then we're gonna put the bottom seats back on so we can mate everything up. Because I don't know why he took off the bottom. All right, let's get ready to do it. On gang. Oh, it's one side. It's on one seat.
Don't let that bitch open up on that side. Oh, viene Manny.
Oh, Jose.
Put that side in.
Look who just pulled up for the vlog.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, hell yeah. What we got done? What we got so far, Jose?
I'm about to install the amp right here, but fucking bolts don't want to go through. We gotta drill.
Yeah. We got a driller right there. You see right there? Oh, that's not the right size. Right there, that little dot. But you know, we ain't there. We're getting drill bits. We're gonna drill some holes.
You got some holes?
What?
You got some holes?
Hell no. Just chilling, bro. The goat. Sheesh. Drilling some holes. Sheesh, gang. Jose, what did we just get?
Fuck. All the new speaker wiring, the whole truck wiring for the subs.
Hell yeah. Right here, right here. RCAs. Where's the rest of the kit? Well, here's all the way back here.
Show them the way we install the sub professionally.
Amps,
Hell yeah.
amps on the wall. Sheesh. Certified. Oh. Who's driving the bike? Certified. Oh, welcome to the vlog. Welcome back, guys. Everything works. Everything works. Actually, just cleaning up. And we're going to be bopping. Everyone pulled up. Say what's up to the vlog. So, what are you doing back there? Say what's up to the vlog. Nah. Is he going to hit some?
Let's go hit him.
Tell us. Tell the viewers right now.
It's Lil Mandy.
Damn. He be alright. Jose dipped on us. He ain't coming back. We know that. Sheesh. We're testing out the sound system, yes sir. Sheesh. Under the seat, clean.
Yeah.
Clean. Custom mounted bass knob. Sheesh. We're here to bangers now. There, you can't even see under there. Sheesh. Banger. Need something with bass. So we can hear the bass. We need something with bass. For the viewers. Sheesh, we're done. We just gotta get a tune. That's all, but it's all in. You can't see it, but it's in. All up on there. Sheesh. Axel, what do you think? You satisfied?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Just need to get a tune and we set.
Money worth right there.
Money worth. Scar Audio. Jose finally pulled back up. We're about to go eat. This pretty much ended the vlog. We about to head out cruising. Oh, the main Malone's here today. We got the window fixed. We're chilling. Oh! Yeah, let's head out. See you on the next vlog. Take care and be safe. Peace.